Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Uphakala umthakathi wesinye isikhathi ubuya akhulume kube ngathi udakiwe. Ngiyamangala ngoba akaphuza akabhemi. Kanti udakwa yini uphakela umthakathi ngoba zikhona nje izinkulumo zakhe ukuthi mawilalela uzokuthi udakiweke namhlanje uphakela umthakathi uphuzile. Awungitshele phakela umthakathi mawuthi wena you will create 1 million job as ubani. Wena uthi uzocreate imisebenzi e1 million in 6 months time towards the end of this year. Uzocreate imisebenzi e1 million njengobani? Ubani wena? Ubani mfokandabandaba? Ubani phakela umthakathi ngoba wena umfana nje wakwaNongoma ongelutho nje emphakathini ngaphandle kokuba insizwa emobilizer ezinye insizwa ukuthi kuphushwe lento yobunsizwa kuphela nje. You are nothing engakwazi ukuthi icreate amathuba omsebenzi ngoba nawe usadinga umsebenzi kwayiwena udinga umsebenzi ukuthi uyosebenza phakela umthakathi. Sometimes wena phakela umthakathi ikhona lento ekudakayo, angazi ukuthi yini lento ekudakayo, kodwa yona ikhona into othi mawuyidlile udakwe. Uyabo, ukhuluma lapha yana uthi wena uzohambela amazwe ase-Afrika, amazwe alamakwerekwere esiwaxoshayo la eSouth Africa. Uthi wena uzowalandela emazweni awo uyozama ukwamobilizer masimba manje la uphakela umthakathi. Wena phela umthakathi uyayibhema insangu wena emakhoneni nje. Ngiyakusola la ngasensangwini ngoba zikhona izinkulumo zakho oyayuthi mawuyikhuluma kuzwakale ongathi kune element yensangu. Uyabo, uzwakale ukuthi engathi kubhemileke namhlanje. Even ngisho lapha mawuhola insizwa kuyakubonakala nje amanye ama-actions anenswebu nje yensangu. Ubone ukuthi sekunomtsangu-ke lobo, sekunogufti kubhemile manje. Uyabona sekwenza kanje kubheme ngempela futhi kubheme le yamahashi. Uyabo, ngiyakhuza-ke mfokandabandaba njengengqwele yakho ukuthi yehlisa baba, yehlisa, remaina nje kwi-level yakho, uremaine kwi-position yakho, yeka ukuphapha, yeka uku-exaggerate, yeka ukukhuluma kakhulu kuze kweqe kade.
Phakathi awuzama ukuhlukana nathi cause wena umama wakho akabuyi la. Kunento engenza imistake Msunu kaNyoka. Uyisilimo esikhulu wena nentshebe le engagezi. Ungazosithusela kanti singazazi. Wena monenkinga nabazali bakho, hamba eZimbabwe ufuna abazali bakho. Asibuye eZimbabwe thina. Uyinja wena. Udla amagazi abanye abantu. Njandini. Utshela umchulu lo Msunu wakho. Ungikwatisa kakhulu. Nginabantwana abayi3 eZimbabwe. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Nginabantwana abayi3 eZimbabwe. Wena ubhizi wenza imali ngathi. Uthi umZulu wamasimba. Msunu kaNyoka. Ngikutshela iqiniso wenze into ofuna ukuyenza mawufuna. Ubheka yabona ubuso bamnapho ukhona. Wenze into ofuna ukuyenza. Silimandini.
Sanibonani zakhamuzi zaseMzansi Afrika, sanibonani bangani bami, sanibonani. Ya nami ngithi qaphu ngale ndaba kangizwe nophakela umthakathi concerning iMarch and March yaka Jacinta Mangobese. Uyabona lethule kahle amaphiqiphiqi nje, to be honest, ungizwe nophakela umthakathi mase siya nje eqinisweni. Uyabona they joined iMarch and March ngendaba ukuthi they support uJacinta entweni enhle ayenzayo, because uJacinta uyayimela indaba yakhe, isitori sakhe uyasazi. Yonke into ayenzayo uJacinta uyayazi, usuka iplanile, and entweni ayenzayo uJacinta ye-March and March, wonke ama-journalist azamile ukumvalela ekhoneni ambuza ukuthi why you do this, and then she's always having the answers for everything she did or she does. Then laba bayi-2 bamjoyina hlobo lokuthi they support her kumamashi wakhe because bawabona successful. Those are opportunists, uNgizwe noPhakela Mthakathi. So and uNgizwe siyazi ukuthi it's a member ye-ANC, i-member i-puppet ye-ANC, and then uPhakela Mthakathi yena i-IFP, Inkatha Freedom Party, member Inkatha Freedom Party, and then uJacinta yena uneutral nge-March and March yakhe, and she always emphasized the fact yokuthi I'm not into politics, and then I'm not even willing to register March and March as a political party to contest upcoming elections or whatsoever wango 2029. So eyakhe indaba yabahlali izakhamuzi zasemzansi ulwa nabantu bokufika kuphela because yiba bayenza ukuthi kube kaso ekhantrini. Sihlangehlangene kanje ekhantrini, asithole imisebenzi, kuthengiswa ama-drugs, kunama-drugs addicts, ama-results wale influx yama-foreigner engene la ekhantrini ivunyelwa amaphoyisa we-ANC. So now bekubekwe i-deadline yanamhlanje of yi-30 June 2026 ukuthi ama-foreigner ayotshelwa nje emehlweni ukuthi mawapake imithwadlana yawo ahambe. And then prior to the march uNgizwe noPhakela Mthakathi bayahamba bona bayoba ne-meeting ne-president uCyril Ramaphosa behind uJacinta. So why baba ne-meeting no-president uJacinta umnikazi we-March and March yena angazi? So that is why mina nginitshela friends ukuthi laba bayi-2 amaphiciphici kahle kahle yinswelaboya, kahle kahle ama-opportunists bayizigijimisele nje imali, siyakwazi konke lokho. So if udadewethu uJacinta Mangobese angavula amehlo abheke le nswelabo ezi-2 ziyomosha into enhle asekayiqalile abangayazi ukuthi bona iqalephi. So that is my take.
After Phakela Mthakathi went for the media briefing meeting, everything just fell apart. It's like he actually exposed himself, or he just showed people who he really is. I really don't know, because so many South Africans are calling him out. Some are even saying that he's a Zimbabwean. He have got 3 kids there in Zimbabwe. He must go back and look for his kids, which this is starting to get really, really concerning, because this is the 3rd person saying the very same thing. Which uPhakela Mthakathi is from Zimbabwe. He's Ndebele from Zimbabwe. He came this side when he was young, and he never went back. So this man right here is calling him out to say, go and look for your parents there. And I've never seen uPhakela Mthakathi coming out to explain or to say something about these allegations. He never said anything. He just kept quiet, which I believe these are serious allegations. He should have just come out and addressed these people, because 3 people right now have come out to say what he is from Zimbabwe. And now Abo Max Makhanya, they're also calling him out. People are calling him out. Kore, it's a lot. Now, ever since he went for the meeting, and there is a recent podcast that he went to where he was talking about giving every South African 1 million per month, up like guys, and he said a lot of things that were just like, just keep quiet. Just keep quiet, because now it seems like things are really getting out of hands for him, and people are now seeing him for who he really is, not this person that he is portraying out here to say he wants to fix South Africa. If he really wants to fix South Africa, then why would he want South Africans to just sit nje? Why wouldn't he want the economy to grow? To just sit down nje and be earning 1 million per month? Like, really? Hi, Shem, it's a lot. It's a lot. I just feel like Upegela Mthakathi has actually exposed himself long time ago. Long time ago. It's just that those that loved him did not see that. But trust me, so many people saw that. So many people picked that behavior to say, something is off with this person. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section.